ang saya-saya ko kasi okay na yung aking YouTube at na ano na ako ulit na monetize sa aking channel. Kung naalala nyo is na demonetize po yung aking channel 3 months po bago ko siya na-apply ulit. At thanks God kasi bumalik ulit siya. At ang saya-saya ko kasi nga syempre at ano na ako ulit, partner program or YPP na ako ulit ni YouTube. At napakasaya ko kasi yung mga pinaghirapan ko is parang bumalik ulit, di ba? Kahit na-delay yung sahod natin pero ang importante at nakuha ko itong monetize ngayon at hindi na ako na-demonetize. Thanks YouTube! Ayan po, ipakita ko sa inyo yung aking ayan.
Ayan, welcome to the YouTube partner program Money TV Vlogs. Ayan, sabi po dito is, you did it Money TV Vlogs. You've been accepted into the YouTube partner program, which means you can now earn money from your content and take advantage of additional benefits like expanded copyright protection tools and access to our creator support team. Starting earning by turning on monetization featured in YouTube Studio, were commented to helping you grow and thrive on the platform. Check out these tools to help build your community, gains access to more earnings opportunities, and feel the supported by our team. Ayan, if you need an additional support, doesn't hesitate to reach out. We look forward. Ayan, nakaano na dito yung Money TV Vlogs. You are now a YouTube partner. Welcome to the YouTube partner program. As a YouTube partner, you can monetize your video, shorts, and live stream. Get support via chat or email and click mo lang yung let's go para makapag-start ka ulit. At ito na nga, nakita ko na yung your YouTube partner program. Ito na po yung lumabas sa aking earnings at bumalik na po. Bali yung na-hold na earnings ko is hindi ko na po nakuha. Bali ito po yung nakuha ko ngayon. And thanks God kasi bumalik na siya. Ang importante po is naging partner po ulit ako ng YouTube. Ayan, maraming thank you YouTube.